Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to mass share Instagram Reels using automation. First, open the account management section. Here you can add and manage unlimited Instagram accounts. Each account can be attached to its own proxy, giving every account a different IP address. This software also uses an anti-detect browser, making every account safer and more independent. Next, go to the Viral Marketing section and select the Mass Share Reel feature. Configure the number of accounts that will share each reel and set the number of concurrent threads. Set a random delay between actions to make the sharing activity look more natural. For example, you can set a delay between 20 and 40 seconds. Copy the Instagram Reel link and paste it into the software. You can also add multiple Reel links. Next, you'll need to prepare a list of users who will receive the Reel share. If you don't know how to scrape a list of potential usernames yet, be sure to watch the tutorial linked here. Now select the Instagram accounts you want to use for the campaign. Click Start and let the software do the work automatically. The software opens a separate browser for every account and logs into Instagram automatically. Each account shares the reel according to your settings while using its assigned proxy. You can monitor the login status, sharing progress, and results directly on the screen. If one account encounters an issue, the software skips it and continues with the remaining accounts. This feature helps increase Reel exposure, support marketing campaigns, and save a lot of manual work. If you need more information, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp using the links below. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.